Hello world, it's Siraj, and School of AI is a nonprofit organization I've created for our community. I am now looking for wizards to help host regular in-person learning meetups across the world. A link to sign up is going to be in the video description. We have a very simple mission, and that's to offer a world-class AI education to anyone on Earth for free. Our doors are open to all those who wish to learn. We are a learning community that spans almost every country, dedicated to teaching our students how to make a positive impact in the world using AI technology, whether that's through employment or entrepreneurship. There are 7 values that we share in common. First, we embrace the weird. Whether it's experiencing a new learning style, concept, or idea that's completely different than what we're used to, we embrace it because we believe that radically new approaches often result in radical improvement. Second, we inspire and educate. Whatever content we make, be it a blog post, video, live talk, or tweet, we aim for it to both inspire and educate developers. Third, we have data-driven optimism. So much of modern-day journalism focuses on all the things wrong with the world. But if we look at the data, the quality of human life across a wide range of metrics has radically improved over the past 100 years. Fourth, we perform rapid experimentation. An idea alone is worth nothing. It's the execution of it that matters. And the best way to do that is to build, assess, and reiterate until we have a valid solution to a problem. Fifth, we practice the art of frugality. We know that a determined mind with scarce resources can achieve seemingly impossible things. It's not necessary to make lavish, expensive purchases to live a life of meaning and happiness. Sixth, we choose love, not fear. So much negativity in our lives is caused by our own fear. Dishonesty with ourselves and with others, an inability to learn, missing out on great opportunities. When making decisions, we make them out of love for ourselves and for other humans. And lastly, I'm inheriting this one from my last workplace, Twilio. We draw the owl. There's this meme that drawing an owl takes a lot of instructions, but we don't always have those instructions available to us. So we have to make them ourselves. From step 1, draw a circle, to the last step, draw the owl. We figure the steps out as we need to. I have a lot planned for us in the coming months, but a good first step to get the community connected is to start School of AI meetups across the globe. I'm looking for deans to help me with this. Traditionally, a dean is the head of a department at a university. Our deans will be the heads of their city's School of AI chapter, from Boston to Berlin to Bombay. They're responsible for hosting School of AI meetups in their respective city. That means finding a suitable venue, helping me promote the event locally, and helping other students in their learning journey. These meetups will also be an opportunity for students to teach and share what they've learned. I will have a personal line of communication with all deans for support and updates. Each meetup will consist of either an educational lecture, a hands-on coding workshop, or an AI research paper study session. It's up to the dean to decide what type of meetup it will be. If you're selected to be a dean, I'll provide you with a meetup page to use and some resources to help you get started hosting your first School of AI meetup. Get hype. Please subscribe for more programming videos, and for now, I've got a school to build, so thanks for watching.